Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today I filmed a Valentine's Day get ready makeup look. I just wanted to give you guys makeup ideas of what you can do with your makeup for V-Day. So if you're interested in this look, keep on watching, and also do not forget to subscribe. And just so you guys know, I will be uploading more V-Day tutorial makeup looks. I do plan on doing another color red, or I might do some type of another color. So yeah, if you want to see how this turned out, keep on watching. y'all, so this is the final look. If it does look a little bit messed up, I have been wearing this for like about a couple hours because I had to run errands and then my phone was dead. So this is how it looks after a couple hours worn. So this is like one of my sorry, I'm messing with my hair. So basically, yeah, so this will be one of my video tutorials on makeup looks that you can wear for Valentine's Day. I plan on doing another one, and I want to do probably red for my next Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this one. So stay tuned for the next one, and thanks so much for watching, guys.